I've lived in all kinds of strange places in my life. Like, seriously, I've lived in 2 different office buildings, downtown Vancouver. So that's where this song was inspired by, is wanting to get out of being downtown all the time. So here we go. I'll trade those sirens for birds any day. Packing my suitcase. Sirens for birds any day. Trade those sirens for birds any day. Packing my suitcase. Trade those sirens for birds any day. Well, I was standing on the street, just minding my business, wondering where I should go. Yeah, the grass is growing between the cracks, the sun is shining. It reminds me of my home, sweet home. Yeah, trade those sirens for birds any day. Packing my suitcase, trade those sirens for birds any day. Oh, I trade those sirens for birds any day. Packing my suitcase, trade those sirens for birds any day. Just wait, I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I trade those sirens for birds any day. I'll pack in my suitcase, trade those sirens for birds any day. Trade those sirens for birds any day. Packing my suitcase, trade those sirens for birds any day. Well, hot winds blowing on the dusty street, and the traveling birds are flying. I'm done searching these gutters for gold. The sound of police cars come crashing through the silence, and I know that it's time to go. So I'll take a bus, I'll take a train, I'll even try flying. Just gotta get back to my home, sweet home. Yeah, teardrops rolling down my cheek. Oh, that's right, I'm crying, 'cause I know that it's time to go. Yeah, I trade those sirens for birds any day. Packing my suitcase, trade those sirens for birds any day. Trade those sirens for birds any day. Packing my suitcase, trade those sirens for birds any day. That's the first time I've ever done that.